Red to green.
ASAN THM PDYN MLTX HTCSNBTLSD CLSD.
Do we have what it takes to push through?
PRMB WTF PRMB ICHR GNPX PRMB BKKT KSS ASAN
So I want to be fearful that it doesn't
DFH
pull back to 83. Can we hold a higher low here
DIHASS
between 83 and
BKKTSS
90?
AMC CRMT OBIO METRT KSS INVZ INVZ FTCTX AXTI AXTREB LPTX LPTX INVZLCX BGLTA BWAILPTX LPTX LPTX LPTREB LPTX LPTX CWAN FTCWFU FTCWAN FTCWAN LPTWAN FTCWAN CWAN FTCWAN FTCR BT 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 CWAN AMZ WAMZ AMZ
Yeah, so
AMZ
CMCT, how's this one doing?
AMZ
CMCT.
SCO
We had
AMZ
9,
FTCI
7, 5.
FTCI FTCI Air
Currently 950 for
Air
CMCT.
BT BBAI FU BT SLRX SLRX BBAI VZLA BBAI SLRX BBAI SLRX SLRX
The pre-market highs are a little ways away.
CCHH CCHH ABEO VZLA BBAI CCHH ABEO SLRX BBAI SLRX HBM HBM VZLA ABEI ABEI BBAI BBAI ABEO ABEO VZLA VZLA ABEO BBAI AMDL
AMZ will have to break back over
Perry
04 or 84
UPXEXI SLRX BGLC BGLC COS SLRX
LPTH.
LPTX Perry BBAI, LPTX, LPTX,
Pre-market highs.
SLRX, SLRX, BBAI, SLRX, TECM, SLRX, NKLR, LPTX, BBAI, LPTX, 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 NVOX, LPTX, ABEO, LPTX, CNLPTH, NXXT, LPTH, ABAMPX, AMPX, AMPX, 4, AMPX,
Red candle so far.
LPTH, NXNH, 4, CNTLA, CNTA, VZLA, 4, KIT, 4, LPTH, CNTA, LPTX, VZLA, LPTH, CNTA, Gilt, LPTX,
Lots of buying.
CNTA.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 40.
ABLXRX, CNTA, NXXT, MBRX, LPTX, NVOX, LPTX, HNST, CNTA, HNST, CNTA, Lucy,
Looks like there's some volume.
HNSTTH, CNTA, HNST, CNTA, Real, COS, CNTA, Lucy, Real, Lucy, CNTA, Kit, CNTA, HNST, CNTA, Kit, ABEO, COS, Kit, CNTA, Lucy. LPSN,
Time.
CNTA,
New candles. Can we make the new high?
CNTA, LPTX.
Can we make the new high? The 1 minute candle to make the new. And it's rejecting. Lovely. I only made like 1 cent in that trade,
BGLC,
bro.
UNHG,
I'm up 3 cents on Realize. It's just down instantly. Come on.
UNHG,
And there's high volume as the 1 minute candle is making a new high. It's like back down instantly.
Lucy. UNHG, UNHG, Lucy, KOPN, Lucy, UNHG, Lucy, VZLA, Lucy, BW, BWC, AXTI, 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 UNHG, KOPN, UNHG,
69. 69 by 69.
NWL, UNHG, VZLA, UNHG, UNHG, LFS, UNHG, VZLA,
There is a bid. Can we get through 71? Can the 1 minute candle try to make the new high again?
VZLA,
Can we see 73
VZLA.
this time? I'm in at 69, or basically 70. Can we see 73 this time?
Lucy,
Pretty much a bull flag, and watching for us to get the 1 minute candle to make the new high to eventually push.
UNHG, Lucy,
To eventually
Lucy,
push.
VZLA,
Support's been pretty
UNHG,
tight so far. Now it's a matter of just getting that buying volume to curl back up.
CNTA, CNTA,
72.
UNHG, CNTA, ABEO, 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 CNTA, 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 Lucy, CNTA, Lucy, CNTA, Lucy,
Taking 2.5 cents, watching to get back in.
UNHG,
And it's opening up more than my expectations. So 75.
UNHG, UNHG,
It's
UNHG,
like hardly any profit taking, so I sold pretty
UNHG,
early.
UNHG, CRMD, CRMKOPN, KOPN, CRMD,
Oh, just dip. Where am I
ESPR, ESPR, KOPN,
Louise. I probably should have just held that. That trade would have been much better to hold. See, what I don't love is that I'm like still flat.
ABEO,
I need to hit this a little
NVA.
harder. So 70. I'm gonna hit it a little harder. 76. Looking to size
ABEO.
up fully on the next dip.
ABEO, ABEO.
Gotta hit the front side a little harder.
KOPN.
A little bit more size. Time.
Arco. ABEO. ABEO. UNHG. UNHG.
The only thing that's
NBA,
tough is
NBA.
like trying to get more of a dip.
NVOX.
But
KOPN.
sometimes you just
NBA.
have to take what you can get.
UNHG. NBA. NVOX.
Still have another half
Arco.
cent early there, but that's
UNHG.
fine.
UNHG. NBA. Arco. VZLA. LPTX. NVA. NVA. Arco. LPTX. 4. LPTX.
That's a good trade there. That's a good trade.
Arco.
It might. Okay, yeah, it might try again. I hope I got a good fill. We might open up some more here. Can we see 78, 79?
NVA.
Gave it way
NVA.
too much
NVA.
there.
NVA.
Yeah, okay, all right.
ABEO.
Should have took my freaking 1 cent and a half.
SCO. NVA.
I don't know why my mind is showing me
NVA.
80, and we're back down to 75.
UNHG. NVA.
So bigger pullback here.
LLYX.
I'm going to size down,
LLYX.
taking
NVA.
74.30 starter.
NVOX.
I'm willing to add more, as long as
LPTX.
the pullback is tight.
NVOX.
I'm not going to add yet, just in case it does another dip. But gotta be careful in case this washes out below 70. If this washes out, this is where I could take a bigger loss. Didn't get filled at 72 on that dip lower, so average, not quite where I'd want it to be.
NVA.
Should have had 73 average instead of average is still slightly higher.
NVA.
And our 5-minute pull candlestick is giving back everything.
NVA.
All right.
NVA.
No bueno. We're getting too much of a
NVA.
shooting star now. We want to see 74, 75.
LCTX.
Don't chop me out like that, man. And it's looking like it's gonna curl. Great. Perfect trade idea, but you know I didn't get the ad as low as I would like, so my average was still fairly high. And now it's freaking red to greening. But the candlestick on the 5 turned into like a shooting star though at the very lows. When we got back down there, 72. Look at the red to green, man. Just see, those are the trades that you can't afford to miss. 72 to 78.
LPTX.
That trade right there would have put us in a position to just be done on the day. Now we got to hope there's another good pullback. The goal was to capture the front side aggressively. So far, that it's not a good job of doing that. And I got to be careful because we're getting closer and closer to backside. Once backside come, that's it. These freaking penny stocks, I tell you.
RXO. NVA. ABEO. NVA. NVA.
Son of a gun.
NVA.
We could end up seeing a
RXO.
we could end up seeing a micro here.
ESPR. RXO. ESPR. NEXA.
Bro, this might be a little risky, but I'm thinking it's too fast going back up. I was thinking to slam it, but you know, it would have been risky.
HYMC, HYMC, LPTX, NVA,
Watching to get back in case it's still
CRMD,
high volume here.
CRMD, UNHG,
On paper
NVA,
hands.
NVA, NVA, UNHG, UNHG,
UNHG, like, you know, from 80 to 70, well, that's like 76, 75.
LPSN, HYMC,
I had to hold down 1 cent unrealized there.
HYMC, NEXA,
I'm gonna try it again, 76.5. I'm willing to add here, but I gotta be careful of the 5-minute candlestick reversing, which is kind of the similar trade of last time. If it's backside, you know, it doesn't make sense buying any dip, but hoping it's not backside yet because we're still looking pretty bullish in our candlesticks.
NMG,
And now watching for break of 80. Can we see break of 80 here this time? There's 79. Then we have the volume.
FTCI,
Take 79.3. No, okay, there's 80. Not bad. If it gets through 80, we could see 84, 85 eventually. It is risky. Okay. Watching for the continuation. Tight stop. All right. Come on. 81, 82. Let's not lose the steam. Damn. Okay, that's fine.
LPTX,
I feel like I should be up way more than 180, but okay. It is a little extended, but we do have the new push here. If we're able to hold 79.80, we should keep going
YTRA,
into the new range. We gotta hold up 79 area here. I'm gonna throw out an order just to see, small size. Now fly. Fly. Still selling a little early. I should be up way more. So I gotta be careful.
YTRA,
One more good trade and we can ease
NEXA.
off here. One more sweet dip. One more sweet dip. See, what I should have done was held to 84. Like I know we could go till to 84. Instead, I sold 81 again. It's just 3 cents too short, right?
BGLC. MH. MH.
It might be 79 or 80.
Perry. LPTX. Perry.
Sometimes just adding isn't a bad idea, but of course, you know, you can end up taking that massive loss if it keeps dipping.
LPTX.
Taking 81.5. I'm watching for like a higher low versus 79.
Hey traders, awesome to see you all here. Again, thanks for joining. Just an important announcement. This stream here is delayed. If you want to get access to the live features, so the live stream, the live commentary, access to our private Discord room chat, then use the link that we have in the description just under this video, guys. And also, I would like to ask you all kindly to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And again, I'll see you guys out there. Thank you.
CRMT.
This could be backside though. Sweet day trade.
LPTX. LPTX.
79, 1 cent, you know.
LPTX. CCHH.
See all those
CRMT.
50-50 areas there.
CCHH.
Getting cooked. And 85 to 82, L81.5 wasn't bad. It does look like we could get back up, so I'll keep watching, of course. Maybe we're able to retest. I'm gonna keep an eye.
CRMBKYI.
I need to avoid backside massive red candle. That's the biggest thing. At least if we're flat, that's better than like yesterday we lost at the end of it. And we're pretty extended, so I'm not interested in any dips here. Hopefully it keeps holding 78, 79. And we can try again. But I'm not interested in a dip just because it's so extended. There's no way
SPRU.
this freaking thing does this nice move.
BKYI.
$20.
Perry. SPRU. SPRU. UNHG. SPRU. UNHGLC. SPRU. UNHGRMT. Perry. UNHGRU. SPRU.
It looked like it reclaimed there for a little bit. Maybe it'll try, but
CRMT. UNHG.
it could sneak back up. It's possible.
LPSN. CRMT. UNHG.
A little
UNHG.
too much complaining
UNHG.
there. We kind of missed the 78 entry.
UNHG.
Reclaim.
LPSN. LPSN.
It does look
LPSN.
promising that it could retest
UNHG.
slowly here.
LPSN. UNHG. 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 CRMD. 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 UNHG. CRMD. 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 CRMD.
It is so fast when it gets ready. I couldn't even react to that one. I'm like, I'll just wait for it to start curling, but it just curls up like 3 cents instantly.
CRMD. CRMD. LPTX. CRMD.
It's a strong one for sure.
CRMD. CCHHH. CRMD. CRMD. CRMD.
I hope I got a good fill there.
CCHHH. CRMD. 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 LPTX. Perry.
What's the time? Please, go, go, go.
LPTX.
It's almost feeling like my dial needs to be turned 1 more degree, you know, to be in full
UNHG.
sync. There's just too many areas of like missing trades or fumbling trades, despite the analysis being there. Whatever I think, that's what I just need to do. Like, hey, I think this thing is gonna go to 85, just buy, and just have my stop and see, you know. So there's 89,
LPTX.
and the cat is gonna start
UNHG.
making a bunch of noise. now.
UNHG. LPTX.
Come on, hold 86. Oh, 85 for 85. I'm gonna take it higher and try again. A little aggressive, but there's 87, 87.7. Good trade. And I think we can push through 90 right here. Push through 90 for Pastor. Like you know you can. Like you know you can. A bit of a stuff. Everything says we should push through 90. See, but I keep selling 89.9. It's like, why? I should be still holding. Paper hands. This time, is this it? Oh, rejection. $89, $89, $90, $89. It needs to hold above 90. If it does, then $1 should be
HYMC.
So if I see 91, I'm just gonna buy and hold. There's a bid,
Pow.
89. I'm just gonna buy, unless it breaks a bid. Tight stop. Okay,
Pow.
bid getting filled. If it breaks 91, I'm holding and not selling till 1. We gotta hope it doesn't reach backside right here, because we are pulling back at the highs. Still looks bullish, but we are a little extended.
Pow.
Like in my mind, I feel like I'm up 5,000, and then I look down here and I come up $300. It's just makes you want to go mad. And I forgot to record my screen today. Shit. That's not gonna help. Son of a gun. For those of you in the chat room, if you hear some background noise,
LPTX.
there's a cat that's just like meowing.
CMPX.
There's a cat. Here to bring some good luck. Some good fortune. We could we could still see a false breakout at that point, but
CMPX.
if the volume is high enough, we'll have a good chance of just going all the way. What's it gonna be?
LPTX.
We have what it takes. Our new 5-minute candlestick is green so far. Come on, do not give in to a pullback yet. Give us $1, $1.50. And be one of the strongest stocks of the year. Now that might be wishful thinking, right? Way back of the mind. If it sells off here, that's it. No, we had enough of a move. I don't want to touch anything here. Nothing. I don't want to even look at this
VZLA.
pullback
VZLA.
for entries. It's just too risky based off of where we are and how vicious backside is. What I can do though is pay attention for like closer to 90 in case it
VZLA.
sneaks back up. Yeah, that's where I want to be in. And not trying to catch this falling knife.
VZLA. AMDL.
How do I only
AMDL.
make $400 in this move? Like, it
AMDL.
just doesn't make sense.
AMDL.
Like, it's
AMDL.
just too
AMDL.
much of a move.
AMDL.
It's too much of a move. I think that dip where we kind of got caught, that was a terrible area to not capture because 72 to 78 was so good. And I think it might have been over here.
HYMC.
And we kind of missed that move. And if backside had came at that high, we wouldn't have paid anything. That's how brutal it is. These current market conditions.
HYMC.
But
Guilt.
I want people to notice something, right?
HYMC.
Like what we're looking at here has nothing to do
HYMC.
with price improvement. Like a lot of people
Guilt.
say like price improvement, right? Like
Guilt.
what does price improvement have to do with me buying the dip so late, you know, and not
HYMC.
being in on a great average? In fact, my starter position was really high. It's like that stuff has nothing to do with anything other than executing better as a trader. You know? So it's like really and truly for anybody listening, like once you master in your strategy and your mastery
VZLA.
of candlesticks is there and you're really scaling in. I think for me, I need to improve my system of scaling in. You know, maybe I'm taking too much size too early and not adding enough lower, right? Once you have that dialed in, it's A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Price improvement and all that garbage has nothing to do with anything. It's just candlesticks. And nobody can disagree with that because it's just that simple, you know? Like this just came straight down to candlesticks. Nothing else. Nothing else. Whether it's free commission, small commission,
Guilt.
You know?
NXXT.
I captured that dip properly, our days double, tripled. Because we had size. We had more size. That was actually our biggest position. Which I think was 9,000 shares. And obviously my share size is kind of small, right? Like real size is like 100K size on this. Like I'd say even for like myself, like using 30K size and buying 2-3 times. So I'm not quite there mentally, obviously. So, but the same trades that I'm executing, you know, I need to keep working on the system to where it's more dialed in with accuracy. And then once accuracy is there, even 100,000 plus shares, you know, 300,000 shares, because the accuracy is more on your side. You know, if you're still dialing it in, then it doesn't make sense to use massive size because then you could just end up like taking big losses. This right now, touching this is suicide. I'm not even gonna look at this chart. History in this current market tells us nothing here is going to hold up, and going short, even going short now, should still work. Not guaranteed, not financial advice, but that's what this nonsense market tells us now. So 5-minute pullbacks do not work. Like trying to buy here and watching it curl back up a little bit. I'm not even looking at it.
QH.
I'm gonna take my $400 and run. Recovering yesterday's losses, at least, for the most part. But we got to do better in the front side now. We got to, I think, for notes tomorrow.
VCIG.
I wrote down notes yesterday, which was
QH.
to be more aggressive in the front side. I think
QH.
write down notes for pullbacks.
QH.
As it relates to scaling into the pullback. Maybe I should have been in with 2,000 shares first. These are like each, like
QHCHGG.
saying this out loud is just so crazy because
QHCHGG.
this is like, in itself risk management 101, right? Some of it does depend on where we pull back to. I mean, relative to the size you want to take. I don't mind a happy medium in the dip because it's so hard to get the bottom every time. But at least I think vocal and let's say verbal analysis, that's what can help, right? Verbal analysis of a game plan as the dip now starts, like before it starts, because there's usually time like, hey, where could we potentially go? What do I want my average to be? And what do I want my stop loss to be in the trade? That way it's very defined. Look at this nonsense still going down, right? This is gonna just Christmas tree here. Once backside reach, is here, that's it.
SILJ.
Go short. But there are people who get caught because there's so many days where backside comes right here in the first red candles.
SILJ.
And it's like, depending on your average, right? We had a high of 73, low of 69. If you're shorting it early every time, we could potentially get caught going up on the breakout over and over until it finally does this, where it's more defined. If it does a red to green here, like all the way back to 90, it'll be worth trading because people will be caught short who might pull in case it rejects the highs again. And some people will be out tightly, but others might just keep adding, and then that's where we can get a squeeze over one again. Normally, at least. In these type of markets, sometimes you get that push to 90, and then you're in for a rude awakening, which is a knife down. So the risk is still real.
Guilt.
Day trading, man. The easiest, hardest way to make money.
AMDL. AMDL.
Easiest, hardest way.
Guilt. AMDL.
See, taking a starter here, I think I could take a starter here, actually. It's not a bad idea in case it gets to 90.
Guilt.
Let me see. Actually, let me also test out this hotkey here. Yep, that did not work. Let's see. My hotkey shouldn't have any issues, but Jesus, this platform, I tell you. Holy smokes! See, I'm missing my starter trade there.
Guilt.
All right. Maybe it just goes all the way here. Holy smokes! Should have just took my regular 4,500. Would have gotten paid. I gotta be careful though not to get back, right? Because it could still fail. I'd say at least 40% of short sellers already covered, maybe 50%. Squeeze City. Damn, bro, 84 starter on the bear flag. Should be Squeeze City if it's good. A small pullback is fine. Oh, that's so quick. See, this is how you can fumble it, right? Oh man, you dirt man. This is where Tim would just start calling stocks names. missed this. Alright, I gotta be careful not to lose, right? I've missed from 84 or to 92 already. Son of a gun. Also, my hotkey for 2,000 shares starter, like, what's going on with that? I gotta double check it. Jeez. Oh my god. At this rate, I might have to just turn off my screen. 102 is the halt up. Lose my freaking mind trading stocks, I tell you. Squeeze City, Squeeze City. This does make me pretty excited though.
LPTX, LPTX, IRWD, IRWD, LPTX, LPTX.
It's a pretty extended move. Best not to be early on the dip.
AMDL, 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 AMDL,
94.
AMDL, 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 Perry, AMDL, AMDL, AMDL,
Time.
AMDL.
2 minutes to the new 5-minute candlestick. Man.
LPTX, LPTX,
Are the stubborn ones big and still adding to where we could just keep going and more buyers still come? You really want to be in at 84, start or adding 90 and then selling here, you know? This buying here is just kind of crazy.
SPRU, SPRU,
is what I want to be doing if I'm already
SPRU,
like more first
SPRU.
Sound like I'm telling people anything, right? Obviously, I'm trying to speak my mind out loud, but assuming we're capturing those trades like we should, maybe smaller size here to see what it does. Which my hotkey is not even set up for smaller size. So I think maybe best just to stay on the sidelines. If it ends up giving a proper pullback for a bull flag and we base out again, that could give us a new runway, but you gotta be careful here.
ANVS. SPRU, Perry. ANVS.
An idiot.